What's up, YouTubers? Yellow Tom 7 here. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I upload videos in them right now. There's a Mustang down there somewhere. I don't know where it was, but it looks like it's modified. Found it. CRV.